Hey guys, what's up? It's paskiiLuv here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on my channel, please be sure to go ahead and hit the red subscribe button to join the squad, join the family, because you are definitely welcome here. So today's video is a tutorial video, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Today I'm going to attempt to bleach my knots for the first time on this closure, this 4x4 closure from Ali Pearl Hair. And that's the reason why you guys see me wearing gloves, because I don't want to like get these chemicals on my hands or whatever, like the bleaching chemicals on my hands. So I'm wearing gloves, so you want to go ahead and wear some gloves too. I tied my hair up because we're about to get busy, and you just want to go ahead and throw a t-shirt. You don't really care about if you get bleach on it or whatever. So this is the before. You can see the black dots. Do you guys see all the black dots that's on the closure? Yeah, so that doesn't look as natural, and we want this closure to look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna use. I went to the beauty supply and got some stuff. So I'm gonna try to build a unit, but I want to go ahead and bleach the knots first. So the first thing you're gonna need is the bleach. So I got the BW2 bleaching powder, and this is what it looks like. So you're going to need that. The next thing I got is the developer. It's a different brand, but he said it's still gonna work because it's a developer. And he told me that the volume 30 is the best one to get because the 40 is a little bit strong. So the 30 is like a safer one to get. So I got the 30 one. The next thing I got is this Diane small tint brush. That's what it's called. And I got the tiny one because this is a small closure. If I was doing like a big lace frontal, I would get the bigger one. So this was $1 at my local beauty supply. The next thing I got is the Shimmer Lights shampoo, and this was $7.99. This was the most expensive item. And then this is supposed to help to like color correct everything. It's like a purple shampoo. You may also need a mask if like it smells strong. So let's go ahead and mix our mixture, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and grabbed some aluminum foil, and I also grabbed a mini little bowl that I can use to do my mixture. So it says to open here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Oh, okay. So you guys, I went ahead and applied this face mask just to be on the safe side, because you don't want to like inhale anything or whatever. So this is the amount that we're working with. I poured this off camera, and now I'm gonna like take the developer, give it a good little shake. I'm gonna use the long side to just mix it up. This is the texture you want, like a yogurt type of texture. You don't want it to be liquidy. Like you see, it's not like liquidy, like it's not runny, and it's not too thick. So this is like all perfect. So I went ahead and laid this down on my bed. I recommend doing this on the floor if anything, but this is like the easiest thing for me to do right now because I'm filming by myself. Alright, so this is the amount that we are working with. Now when you're doing this, you want to like try your best not to get this on the actual hair. So you know that your closure has been properly processed when you check like this and you see that the lace has turned into a brown color, and that's when you go ahead and wash it. Bro, it's a huge difference. I am back and I look a hot mess, but let's go ahead and do this. I have bleached the knots on this here, and I just want to come on here to show you guys the end results really quickly. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is I did go ahead and use some conditioner, like regular conditioner that I use on my hair. On this here, after I shampooed it with the Shimmer Lights shampoo, I didn't get to, I forgot to film, I guess. But I'm just going to comb this bad boy out really quickly with this little comb, so I can show you guys the difference between when you bleach your knots versus when you don't bleach your knots. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. So let me get closer so you guys can see. You can see that this looks like skin versus the part that's not bleach. You can see it's obviously a closure. So I went ahead and I just placed this closure on my leg so you guys can get an idea of how it's gonna look on your scalp. This looks just like scalp, and as you can see, my skin is brown from underneath, and this looks just like a scalp. Yes, this hair does have some flyaways, but overall the closure, I mean, it bleached perfectly. It took bleach really well. This is like the outer edge that I didn't really touch. You can still see the black dots versus here you don't really see it. But don't worry, because I'm gonna sew that down to the wig cap, and then this is always gonna have hair over it like this going back. But as far as the parting, it bleached really well. And just look at the difference between the part that has the lace. You can clearly see the lace, and here it's like blending with the skin. And here you can clearly see it because that's the part I did not bleach because I have the baby hairs there. So yeah, turned out really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a question in the description box below. Please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I worked really hard on this video for you guys, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And as you can see, clearly I'm a beginner, and I did really good for my first time bleaching the knots. Like, I'm very proud of myself. So I'm pretty sure you guys can do it too if I can do it for the first time as someone who's not even a professional. So go ahead and give it a try. I hope you guys like your results. Now that I'm done bleaching the knots on my closure, the next step is going to be working on those bundles. I have 3 bundles, and what I'm gonna try to do is remove the chemical smells that's like comes with virgin hair. So that's gonna be my next video. So stay tuned. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah.